Hey guys, it's Tommy from Pro Shop, and this is Todd from X Factor, and we're on location at X Factor Paintball Park. And I'm showing what you got there.
We got the new Ego.
It's called the LV1 by Planet Eclipse. And we're going to give you a little demonstration on how it shoots. So Todd, if you don't mind, I'll step out of the way. Go ahead and shoot at back center.
Shoots like a dream.
So, if I'm not mistaken, Todd, you've been shooting Egos for...
This is my 9th year actually shooting an Ego.
So you've been 05,
05,
06, 07, 08, 09, 10, 11,
12, and now the 13.
13.
Yes, sir.
So, how does it compare to the rest?
I really like how it's stretched back out a lot. Like, with the years going in, it was getting smaller and smaller. I'm glad they, stretched it back out for people like me with longer arms and stuff like that. Helps out quite a bit for that. I mean, shooting-wise, it shoots really good. Shoots real flat. Shoots real straight. Don't have any complaints at all, really. Good gun.
We're gonna do a little sound test between the LV1 and the Ego. And this is a G03. So go ahead. It's pretty close.
I'd say so. It's probably the lightest Ego I've ever held too.